lot of you don't know, I was vegetarian for about 3 years. A lot of people used to ask me, Justin, how'd you remain fat? Well, I'm gonna show you. I got some jackfruit BBQ nachos. Let's get to it, y'all. It's JB Southern Hand. So right out the bat, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about jackfruit. Got a real strong pungent smell and it's real sticky. So I'm gonna hit my hands with a little bit of this oil. Just make it easy to work with, but it still stick to you. And this is the fleshy part we want of this fruit. Tastes really good. Sounds weird, you know, fruity nachos, but it absorbs a lot of flavor and we're gonna get a real nice texture on this. I know some of my folks down from Mississippi, they're probably like, where I get this from? Winchester Food Market in Memphis. You know, I stayed in Memphis 3 years and that store got everything that you can possibly imagine. All different cultures, all different nationalities. Really good store if you're looking for something different to cook. So when we season this, I'm gonna treat it just like meat. Come around here with some Worcestershire or Worcestershire sauce. I gotta learn how to say that word. Don't mind my hands, y'all. Probably still got a little bit of that sticky white stuff on me. But ain't no wrong with that. Then we're gonna come behind that with a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, salt, pepper, and that's it. Don't have to do too much to this. But like I said, it's gonna absorb this flavor. Come out delicious. But back to what I said earlier. I really been fat my whole life, and that's cool. I really like to eat, and I always can cook. And I feel like if your food tastes good enough, and you like me, you're cheap, and don't like to waste food, you're gonna gain a little weight. And unfortunately, I keep it on me. But it's all good. We're just gonna stir this up though. And I'm gonna use my hands just so I can get the seeds and spread it on it nice and evenly. So I got my skillet just below medium heat. A little bit of olive oil in here. Just gonna begin to soften these. Cook these for a little bit, but watch it. Don't have a lot of water in here. You don't want to burn it. Okay, you can see we got a nice color change on these. And some of them started to shrink up. Just gonna add a little bit of water. Just for a little bit of moisture. All right, these are done, y'all. This is what you're looking for. So while it's nice and hot, I'm gonna add it to a bowl and we're just gonna begin to shred this. Kind of like pulled pork, pulled chicken. That's what you're looking for. So I grabbed 2 forks and I just begin to pull this apart. A little tedious part, but it's worth it rather than eating big chunks of jackfruit. All right, now grab your favorite barbecue sauce. I like that Sweet Baby Ray's. Ain't nothing like that Sweet Baby. I'm just gonna drown our jackfruit in that. Just give it a nice little mix. All right, grab your pan with some parchment paper. Just gonna spread. And if you see some big chunks in here, you can just break those up or just throw them away all together. We got enough jackfruit to last us for a couple of days. So you see everything all nice and even. We're gonna pop this in the oven, 350 for about 25 minutes. It's gonna get a little dark brown. All right, you guys, that's the finished product. Don't that look delicious? That's beautiful. So I'm using Doritos. You can use tortilla chips. I'm a Dorito fan. Put our meat on top of this. I'm gonna go a little heavy with it. All right, you know it can't be no nacho without no cheese. Yes, sir. Big boy. Now, I like to throw a little jalapeno peppers on mine. A little bit more barbecue sauce for a little extra flavor. Top that thing off with some sour cream. Check that out. Lie to me and say they don't look good. Just look at it. Taste buds jumping. I'll taste this right quick. Delicious. Let me know what you think in the comments, y'all. Then we worked our magic again. Jackfruit turned out good. Whole lot of barbecue flavor. Man, can't ask for nothing else. Like always, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the video. Turn on notifications, y'all. They be sudden hands. Jackfruit nachos. Barbecue nachos.